We guide you through how to disable at everyone on Discord so you can stop unwanted mass mentions in just a few clicks. Start by opening Discord, then go to the server where you want to turn off at everyone. Click the server name at the top, select server settings, and next, open rules and choose the everyone or at everyone rule, which is the default rule for all members. Scroll down to the permission section and find mention at everyone, at here, and all rules. Then simply toggle this option off. Once disabled, members will no longer be able to ping everyone in that server, helping reduce spam and unnecessary notifications. If you want only admins or moderators to use at everyone, make sure this permission is enabled only for specific rules. And finally, double check your settings, exit the menu, and you're done. At everyone is now turned off, keeping your Discord server cleaner, quieter, and more organized.